sonic screwdriver.
Ta-da! Ooh.
What are you doing? Helping! You've got a screwdriver! Don't build a cabinet! That's really rude!
And nothing says non-terrestrial like a sonic screwdriver. I think someone's gonna notice, don't you? No, don't do that!
We demand to search the house. This has been declared a military zone.
Sorry, say that again?
We demand to search the house. This has been declared a military zone.
Not today, thanks. I think we need to run.
North attack formation! Surrender to me! Secure the house! Eliminate the road!
What the hell is going on?
Where's your car? Five doors down.
Excellent.
There are children here! We've got children!
Never mind me, we've got to save the meat.
This is a sonic screwdriver, and if it's good at one thing, it's resonating concrete.
That's not concrete, that's mortar.
Thank you, Bob the Builder. Skinny Minnie, you're not bad.
No, she doesn't. No.
Seeding a level 5 planet is against galactic law.
Are you threatening me?
I'm trying to help you, Matron. This is your one chance. Because if you don't call this off, then I'll have to stop you.
I hardly think you can stop bullets.
No, hold on. One more thing before dying. Do you know what happens if you hold two identical sonic devices against each other?
No.
Nor me. Let's find out.
I'm advancing the birth plan. We're going into premature labor.
You just raised an army against yourself.
And now, for 1,000 generations, you're going to be ordering them to destroy you every day. How fast can you run? Because today's the day the human race throw you off their planet. They won't even know they're doing it. I think, quite possibly, the word you're looking for right now is... oops. Run! Guys, I mean us. Run!
We are not leaving without you.
Look, just get your stupid face out of here!
Right, into the TARDIS, quickly! Don't let them build the full power! I know! There's a reason why I'm shooting, honey! What are you doing? Helping? You've got a screwdriver! Go build a cabinet! That's really rude! Come up and drive!
I tried to talk. I want you to remember that. I tried to reach out. I tried to understand you, but I think that you understand us perfectly. I think that you just don't care. And I don't know whether you are here to invade, infiltrate, or just replace us. I don't suppose it really matters now. You are monsters! That is the role you seem determined to play, so it seems that I must play mine. The man that stops the monsters. I'm sending you back to your own dimension. Who knows? Some of you may even survive the trip. And if you do, remember this. You are not welcome here. This plane is protected. I am the Doctor. And I name you the Boneless. Planet 14! Every single child! You lose, even on the moon. Hello. I'm the Doctor.
Doctors are not required.
I'm not a doctor. I am the Doctor. The original, you might say. Oh! Let it go. Time enough. Happy Christmas.
Really? I don't think you've ever given me a present before. It's a sonic screwdriver. How lovely.
When I saw the sonic trot, I thought it was just embarrassing, but... You look, amazing.
Doctor, you have no idea whether I look amazing or not.
Well, you've moved your hair about, haven't you?
Well done. It's very sweet of you to try.
So what do you think? The singing towers.
The music.
You don't look like an alien.
You should have seen me a few hours back. My whole body changed. Every cell in my body burning. Some of them are still at it now, reordering, regenerating.
Sounds painful, love.
You have no idea. There's this moment when you're sure you're about to die, and then you're born. It's terrifying. Right now, I'm a stranger to myself. There's echoes of who I was and a sort of call towards who I am. And I have to hold my nerve and trust all these new instincts, shape myself towards them. I'll be fine in the end, hopefully. But I have to be, because you guys need help. And if there's one thing I'm certain of, when people need help, I never refuse. Right? This is gonna be fun. Should be fine.
Don't worry. My sonic screwdriver converts into rather a good mine detector. Look out. Look, there's one over there. I have to move round to the right. Now follow me. Stupid beast. Why doesn't it attack them? Relax, Joe, relax.
Help the others. Doctor. Shoot him if he moves. Now, turn around. Drop the sonic device.
Isn't my day, is it? I feel as though you've just killed an old friend.
It is with some sadness that I tell you, you are about to join it.
Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Doctor Who YouTube channel.